Welcome to Techtopia. Today we're uncovering China's most advanced robots. So cutting edge, they're sparking envy worldwide. These are robots built for speed, empathy, precision, and even creativity. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be amazed at what these bots can do. If you're into the latest tech marvels, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump into it. In recent years, China has been going all in on robotics, developing machines that rival the best in the world. Their commitment to becoming a global robotics powerhouse is more than just talk. They're building everything from high-speed humanoids to robots capable of emotional intelligence. These advancements are catching the attention of the US, where the stakes are high in the race to dominate robotics and artificial intelligence. Ready to see what's making waves? Let's kick things off with some of the most innovative Chinese robots and why they're leaving the rest of the world in awe. First up is CyberDog 2, Xiaomi's answer to the loyal household pet. It's a dog, but with a twist. It's robotic. Imagine a pet that doesn't need feeding, doesn't shed, and won't chew on your favorite sneakers. CyberDog 2 not only mimics the loyalty of a dog, but can perform impressive tricks, like backflips and other acrobatics. It's designed to respond to petting, recognize familiar faces, and even enjoy some playful interaction. This bot is perfect for those with limited space or allergies, or anyone who's dreamed of having a pet with an off button. It's a fascinating blend of AI and robotics, catering to people who want a pet without the long-term commitments of a live animal. Now that's what we call futuristic companionship. Let's up the ante. Meet Star One, a humanoid robot that set a new speed record. Designed by Chinese company Robot Era, Star One can hit speeds of 8 miles per hour, making it the Usain Bolt of robots. It's powered by AI that enables it to navigate varied terrain, from rocky paths to grassy fields. Star One even competed in a test run across the Gobi Desert, proving its capability to handle different environments. Imagine how this kind of speed and adaptability could be used in real-world applications. Star One's potential is huge in areas like emergency response, search and rescue, and industrial automation. With its agility and power, this bot is redefining what humanoid robots can do and setting a bar that few can match. If you haven't hit that like and subscribe button yet, now's the time. We're only scratching the surface of China's incredible robotics achievements. Now, we've all seen robots struggle to maintain balance, right? Unitree's H1 is different. This humanoid robot can recover from being nudged, bumped, or even kicked. It's built for resilience and stability, making it perfect for environments where human interaction might involve a little jostling, like crowded public spaces. Standing 1.8 meters tall, the H1's ability to stay upright and balanced no matter the situation is a game changer. Imagine this bot in settings like healthcare facilities or airports, where it can serve as a helpful assistant without ever toppling over. With this kind of stability and durability, Unitree has created a robot that's both practical and robust, capable of handling high-stress environments with ease. Switching gears, let's introduce Cloud Ginger, a robot that's proving bots can have a little flair. Cloud Ginger, developed by Cloud Minds, is not just a utility bot, it's a performer. At the latest World Robot Conference, Cloud Ginger took the stage to perform a synchronized ballet routine alongside other robots. And it's not just about dancing. This robot's hands are as dexterous as human hands, capable of delicate tasks like threading a needle or even creating latte art. The applications for Cloud Ginger are practically endless, from working in cafes to performing in entertainment settings. Cloud Ginger is the ultimate multifunctional bot with a creative twist. It's amazing to see robots crossing into artistic realms, showcasing that AI can be graceful, precise, and even a bit artsy. If you think robots are all metal and no emotion, think again. Xiaomi's CyberOne is a humanoid robot built with empathy. Equipped with AI that enables it to detect 45 different emotions, CyberOne can respond to human expressions and even provide comfort. It's designed to recognize when you're feeling down and offer subtle interactions to improve your mood. CyberOne's emotional intelligence makes it ideal for roles in customer service, elder care, and personal assistance. Imagine a robot then can not only help you around the house, but also gauge your mood and provide emotional support. This is where robotics and AI intersect to create a more compassionate tech experience, potentially revolutionizing how we interact with machines. And now, let's talk about Exrobot, a company that's taking realism to a new level. Their bionic robots have lifelike skin, natural movement, and even simulate goosebumps. These bots look and move so much like humans that they could easily blend into social settings. Exrobot plan to use their hyper-realistic bots in service roles, from museums to interactive exhibits, and even in childcare. The idea is to have robots that are as close to human as possible, which can be incredibly useful for roles that require a human touch, but might benefit from the endurance and consistency of a machine. It's both fascinating and a little unsettling to imagine a world where robots are indistinguishable from people. But China's robotics landscape isn't just about humanoids and pets, it's also leading the charge in industrial robotics. Companies like DJI, renowned for their drones, and Siasun, a powerhouse in automation, are pushing the envelope in their respective fields. DJI's drones dominate the skies not only in filmmaking, but also in areas like agriculture and infrastructure inspection. Meanwhile, Siasun's robots are streamlining operations in factories, making manufacturing more efficient and cost-effective. These companies are foundational to China's vision for a tech-driven economy. As they develop robots to handle more complex tasks, they're setting standards that other countries are watching closely. Industrial robotics may not have the wow factor of a ballet dancing bot, but they're crucial to the infrastructure and efficiency of modern industries. China isn't just investing in robots today, it's preparing for the future. TAL Education Group is focusing on robotics education for young people, creating programs and courses that teach the next generation to code and build robots. They're grooming future engineers, scientists, and innovators who will continue to drive the industry forward. By getting kids interested in robotics at an early age, TAL is planting seeds that will grow into the next wave of robotics innovation. This approach is already paying off as more young Chinese students develop skills in engineering and AI that rival or even surpass their peers worldwide. The US could learn a thing or two from China's commitment to nurturing young talent in tech and robotics. All these advancements highlight one thing: China isn't just competing with the US, it's leading in many areas of robotics. While the US has trailblazers like Boston Dynamics, China's integration of robotics across all sectors from daily life to industry is unprecedented. These bots aren't just prototypes, they're real-world machines that are already making an impact. China's relentless focus on developing advanced robotics combined with strong government support means they're setting the standard for the future. For the US, this presents a unique challenge, as China's innovation in robotics isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. With robots like CyberDog 2, Star 1, and CyberOne, China is not only keeping up with the global robotics race, but pulling ahead in ways that are hard to ignore. These aren't just machines, they're a glimpse into a future where robots are part of everyday life. The US might need to pick up the pace if it hopes to keep up with the advances China is making in this field. And the pace isn't slowing down. As we've seen today, these aren't just simple robots, they're redefining what machines are capable of and challenging our ideas of human interaction, intelligence, and even companionship. So, as China continues to push the envelope, the US and the rest of the world can either step up their game or be left watching from the sidelines. The question is, are we ready to embrace a world where robots are as integrated into society as our smartphones? Imagine walking down the street, grabbing a coffee from a robot barista, getting help from a service bot at the mall, or even having a robo-dog by your side. The era of intelligent machines isn't just coming, it's here, and China is showing us what's possible when you bring together innovation, resources, and a vision for the future. From empathy and machines to robots that can outperform us in speed and precision, it's a bold new world. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the top Chinese robots that are pushing boundaries and making the US sit up and take notice. If you're as excited or a little freaked out about the future as we are, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Techtopia for more insights into the world's most fascinating tech. Stay curious, stay tuned, and let's keep watching the future unfold, one robot at a time.